Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and the good people at Wayclif sent me out this smart air compressor to review. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it real quick. Just throw that over there. Oh, nice. Comes in its own little carrying case. Comes with a USB-C rechargeable cable. Those are definitely always nice. And then we got some tire plugs. Never actually used these ones before. So they're little screws with a bit of silicone on. I take it you just pull out the nail and then you screw these down into them. Yeah, I've yet to use these type. Hopefully I don't have to anytime soon. That's definitely more for the cars right there, not so much for the bike world. And then we got your standard adapters. We got your ball of adapter. We got, I think that's maybe for a little air mattress adapter there. And a little Presta adapter. All right, to the pump. And there is the pump. Says it weighs 478 grams. There's the air nozzle that comes with it. And then it also comes with this little carrying pouch, just in case you were like carrying it around on your bicycle or something. You want to carry that full thing. You want to drop some of the weight on it, just like that. Ooh, it's velvety. And the unit is not turning on. That's not good. Had to go upstairs and charge it real quick. Battery's fully charged now and it should be good to go. Peel off the little piece of plastic there on it. Hold down the power button to turn it on. And this has a nice big display. I like that, especially as my eyes are growing out. So you can hold down this button, it'll turn on the flashlight mode on it. And that's basically trying to pump up your tire in the middle of the night. That would come in handy to have that little LED on there. And this can be used, of course, to pump up your tire or to charge up another device. So it's kind of three devices in one. It's a little flashlight. It's of course, an air compressor. It'll go up to 150 PSI. So I'm go ahead and test out the charging feature and plug in my old antiquated S9 here. Appears to use the battery charging feature. I do have to turn the battery pack on. There it goes. Nice. And you can see down there, it is charging. It says it's gonna take an hour and 14 minutes to charge. So it's not a fast charger or anything, but it would work in an emergency. So it's able to do 10 watts of power through the charging cable, or 5 volts at 2 amps, which would be the 10 watts. My wife's usually pretty bad about keeping her tire pressure up, so we'll use her car as an example. All right, really easy to hook up. Go ahead and turn it on, and oh yeah, and then also forgot to mention, it's also a pressure gauge. So, okay, by reading her door panel, it says all her tires are supposed to be at 35 PSI. Currently, they're at the 13.7. So let's see how fast it takes it to pump it up. All right, that took a sec. Looks like it ate up 50% of its energy. So should be able to do both the front tires on this car to balance them out. I'll have to recharge it for the other two. And then, hey, look, if you get your car valve stem to the right position, you don't have to sit there and hold the thing up. Yep, low to. Or she wants to dance. It's a dancing air pump. Okay, I'm on to tire 3. I can see that I have 1 bar left, so it looks like it can make it through probably 3 tires, maybe 2.5. I'm gonna go and recharge it and fill the wife's car back up all the way like that. I just don't want the tires out of balance right now. So yeah, on a car tire, you're definitely gonna want to let it cool down, probably 5-10 minutes in between each tire, or the overheat protection will kick in. But that's a good thing. Yeah, you don't want to end up having a smoking deal. So thanks for watching. You can find the Wayclif pump down in the description below. Have a great day.